Hey y'all, it's Mary and I'm in complete shock, y'all. I got my Boxycharm by Ipsy. I don't know how this happened. I just picked stuff. We picked things on October 1st and like October 3rd, maybe the 4th, they said they were shipping it out. And I'm like, what? And then, they must not be using DHL anymore because DHL would hold it for 2 or 3 or 4 weeks. So I don't know what they're doing, but it came in the mail, from the mail. And this is it. And here I've got a menagerie today. Okay, come on, Blue. Blue's coming through, and Smudge is over here too. Not sure where the little girl is, so we'll let her be. Let me try to see if I can get in here. I did already open it because I didn't believe it. So I want you to see how it's packaged because it's a little crazy. Well, first of all, it's Ipsy. Okay, glam bag. Ipsy is the glam bag, the Boxycharm, icon box, and what else does it say? Oh, refreshments. Okay, they have their own line of refreshments. And this box is $28. And you get 5 full-size products. And so you pay $1.99 for the handling. You get free shipping, they say. So it's really $30. But my value is $261. So let's see what I got for that. When I open it, this box sort of collapses all over. This is my stuffing. And there's a palette in here, y'all. And I'm going to put it exactly how it was. This is how it was. The palette was on top of these crazy boxes. We'll see if that's intact. We'll see. We'll see. Let me tell you what all goes on here. Okay. It is the October box. It says Glamoween. That's what they say is the October theme. And they have an advent calendar this year. I think they've been having advent calendars in the past. Yeah, they did last year. So, and they have for a couple of years. So that is nice if it's something you like to get. They are showing in this little brochure the October's hand-selected power picks. And these are some of the power picks, which that palette that I hope is not busted is in this bunch of stuff. Ole Henriksen facial cleanser, love it, didn't get it. And it says, have you signed up for the icon box yet? I don't ever get the icon box, y'all. But they'll start spoiling it soon. They say, we'll see. It's a quarterly box. And it's $58 a quarter, it says. But I think you pay $58 and then you don't get your Boxycharm by Ipsy or your glam bag. So I don't know how that works financially. And then, the mega drop shop is October 9, which is Monday. So, and then on the back, there's some more, little things to read. I don't really pay much attention to it. So let's see what they picked for me. They picked for me, we can start with the palette. Let's just start with the palette since it's here. It's the Iconic London Booming and Gleaming Eyeshadow Palettes, and it's valued at $62. It was just in there on top of a box like this. And yeah, it's got some bubble wrap, but let's hope that's okay. Iconic London is a great brand. All their stuff looks the same to me. It's all in gold like this. And the palette, I'm like, isn't that the palette that, I don't know. I just seem to, every palette they have looks the same to me, y'all. But I am a neutral person. There is a mirror on one side that's very beautiful. It's very beautiful packaging. All right, Camille. Now this does look different to me. Okay, it looks different, but it is very neutral, which is fine. All right, lovey, you're gonna have to move. Let's see, there's 20 shades, and it is gorgeous. So there's neutrals. I put the color saver over the mirror. Come on, Camille. Now, this, I'm not sure how dark this looks, but this one right here looks, it says Boss Babe. It does look black. And then this one here that's very dark is a gorgeous purple. I love that. Love it. I do like these colors. There's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 shimmers. And this one that says After Dark, this purple, it has a very light shimmer to it, but it's not quite a matte. And it looks like the rest are mattes. So it's beautiful. I'm not real keen on such a big palette, but I don't know what I'm going to do with it. I may keep it. I never keep these because they all look the same to me. But this one I will say does look a little different. Yay, yay, yay. Okay, $62 value. Excuse me. It says, it's your new everyday eyeshadow palette. Has arrived. That's with 20 gorgeous, easy to wear shades. You'll be able to create endless looks for any occasion. That is true. There's a lot you can do with that. Okay. So then they tell you how to use it. We know how to use shadows. Okay. So the next thing that so that's a power pick. And the next thing they sent to me is a power pick also. And it is B-Y-R-O-E. I pronounce it Byro because I don't know how else to say it. It's the Celery AHA and LHA Resurfacing Serum. Now that sounds really fabulous, doesn't it? $86. Okay, now I do like Byro's products. I have had many. Oh, this is really nice. Okay, so it's in this gorgeous packaging, as always, and it looks like milk in there. Can you see that swimming around in there? It's very thin. It has a dropper. I'm not going to open it because this is the deal. Now, I could use it, but I don't know why. Ipsy, you know, they know that I am 61 years old. They know that I don't have acne, yet they keep sending me things. This has niacinamide, which everybody can use niacinamide, but this says it's to nourish oily, acne-prone skin and help restore balance. So it's not my thing. So will I use it? Probably not. $86, so somebody will be happy to get that. I noticed that I lost a nail, so let's move on. So I am happy with the power picks they gave me. I mean, in that I'm happy with the brand names, but I don't know why we have to, well, if you want points, you can go in and let them know what you think about the products. I was told by Ipsy to give this like a 1-star rating, and then I won't get things for acne. I can't do that because this is an excellent brand. I've had other products from them and I like it. So how can I give this a 1? I don't think that's fair and I don't think that's right. But I know I've told you all I was going to do it, and maybe I'll do it. We'll see. Okay, so then you get, I'm all over the place. I apologize. The cats messed me up. They're gone now. So you get 5 items, full-size items. So the next 3 items I got to choose. So I got to choose from a Dermalect brand lash volumizer. I don't like those kinds of things. Volition Beauty. It was a mask in a tube, you know, so like a mud masky kind of thing that you would then, you know, wash off probably, or maybe it's a peel off, who knows. The brand Tease, T-E-E-E-Z Cosmetics. It was a primer, a face primer. The brand REM Beauty Plumping Lip Gloss, YC Collection Liquid Highlighter, and this was one of the, I don't know if it was a power pick, but it was a new thing that they were showing us. So it is ALO Yoga Skincare. So they promote yoga along with their skincare to try to get you to take better care of yourself. So this is a $48 value, and it's a moisturizer. It says your new favorite moisturizer has entered the chat. This powerful yet lightweight formula is specially designed. So, you know, it's different, it's something different. So let's check it out. It's very nicely packaged. The box is very nice. It's in here good and tight. Good and tight. It is a luminizing face moisturizer. It says AMLA, AMLA, Aloe and Botanicals, illuminates, softens, and nourishes. AMLA, whatever that is, Elma Powered Clean Beauty. So it's beautiful packaging. This is a frosted glass. I believe it's glass. It's very, very pretty. Okay, and it has a nice seal on it. I love this kind of a seal because it doesn't have a scent. And oh, it looks rich and creamy. It looks really nice. I think I would definitely like this. You know, of course, it depends on how it goes with your skin and all, but it looks very nice. So I have a lot of skincare, so it may go into rotation, it may not. but this is just a newer brand. It may be around a while. I've never heard of it myself, but I think it's new to Ipsy. All right, and then I got 2 more items I got to pick. There wasn't a lot of makeup to choose from. I got to pick Formula Z liquid. It was a liquid shadow. I do like Formula Z shadows, but this was a liquid shadow, and I'm not real keen on a liquid shadow. There was the brand TYS Beauty, a liquid blush. Not real big on liquid blushes. Dew of the Gods. I do like that brand. This was a salt scrub that was in a bag. And if there was nothing else to pick, I might have picked that one. There was Lauren's Skincare. Never heard of it. Lip oil. And it was just a doe foot lip oil. I have so many things like that. There was the brand Farrah. It was an eyeshadow primer. Now, I would have chose that if I didn't already have a couple of eyeshadow primers. They last a while. They last a while, so I didn't need it. And then there was the Earth Harbor Naturals. This is the Calypso Vitamin C Moisture Elixir. So that's what I ended up getting. This is valued at $44. And did I tell you the Alo was $48 also? So this is very beautiful. You know, Earth Harbor is wonderful stuff. This is Meet Calypso, the Enchanting Serum that helps deliver a healthy, just back from the beach glow. It's very, very beautiful, isn't it? Infused with sea berry derived vitamin C, fatty acids from chia seed, and cranberry phytosterols, jam-packed with antioxidants. So a wonderful vitamin C. It helps seriously transform your skin, leaving it radiant and nourished. Okay, now a lot of times with vitamin C, you want it to be in a dark bottle, so I'm going to put that right back in the box until I use that. And then, I keep those kinds of things in my cabinet anyway, so they would stay, away from the light, hopefully. And then my last choice, they usually give you 6 items to choose from. My last choice was I could pick from Ace Beauté a 4 eyeshadow brush set. That was nice. There was the brand REM again, Beauty, an eyeliner, a black eyeliner. Have too many of those. Sleek 'E. Never heard of that. It was a heat defense serum. So I believe that's for your hair. And there was Pomelo and Company. Never heard of them either. It was a vanilla hair mask, and that was also in one of those bags, reusable bags with a little thing twist around the corner. And then the brand Context Skin, a clear brow pomade stick, and Huda Beauty. Once I saw Huda Beauty, I didn't even have to look at the other products. Come on, Huda Beauty. I don't care what it is. I'm getting it. Okay, so this is a lip contour. It is an automatic matte lip pencil in pinky brown, and its value is $21. And let me see if I can get it out of there. There's the shade color. I thought that was a little more mauve-y, but brown is in the name. I can't get it out of here. If and when I get it out, we'll take a look at it. Okay. Well. All right, here it is. So that is going to be the color. And I don't know about that for me. It doesn't matter. It's Huda. Okay, so it is very light colored. I have so many lip pencils, y'all. And this is very beautiful. A lot of lip colors, you want to match it somewhat to your lipstick, but you don't necessarily have to. This is very pretty. It's very light in color. I'm not going to swatch it because I might not use it. So I'm going to put it back in the box. I did not damage the tip for a change. I'm going to put it back in here, and I may or may not use it. It may end up in a giveaway, a future giveaway. So $261 value. I've got the, I put things back in the boxes, y'all. I have the gorgeous, this is gorgeous. It is gorgeous. I love it. See, it's, maybe you can see it better from the bottom. This is not glass, but it looks like glass. It's so pretty. The Biro. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. The Alo, it's not Aloe, I would say it's Alo because there's just one L. Moisturizing cream that looked really nice. It did look nice. And the gorgeous Calypso Earth Harbor. See, I got a lot of skincare. Gorgeous, gorgeous. The Huda lip liner. And then this very beautiful palette, y'all. And I don't know, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. It reminds me of a few things that I just recently got. So do I want to swatch it? Now that I'm opening it up again, maybe I did something to it, but on this Cabernet, there is a little nick in it. I don't think I did that, but I didn't see it the first time. So I might have hit it with this, very possibly. It is very, very pretty. It's upside down right now, but it's beautiful mattes. I just have so many. If I didn't have a bunch of things, this would be a wonderful palette for many, many looks. I can see many looks in there. I'm not going to swatch it, y'all. So I'm going to put it away for now. If I end up using it, I'll swatch it in a future video, okay? So about $261 value. I paid $30 for this. I think that's a great bargain. I know a lot of people are, I am upset. I miss Boxy. I miss the real Boxy. I really do. But I still love Ipsy. They are different. They're not the same either. The drop shops are not the same as Boxy did them. But I still enjoy getting this $30, $261. Where would I ever get that? You can't unless you get a beauty box. So I'm happy with it, and I got some wonderful products. If I don't use them, they'll go in future giveaways. So y'all, thank you so much for stopping by and count your blessings. And now we've got Camille. We've got the whole crew. Camille, I think she came through earlier. Did you want to say hi? She's laying down, so that might be it. Okay, y'all. Thanks for stopping by. Count your blessings. Good to see you. Have a wonderful weekend, y'all. Bye-bye.